In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook Messenger with Instagram. By the end, you'll have your Instagram DMs and Facebook Messenger conversations flowing into one clean, organized inbox inside Meta Business Suite, making it much easier to respond quickly and stay on top of customer messages. First, open Meta Business Suite by going to business.facebook.com in your browser. It's easiest to do this on desktop for full access to settings. If you manage multiple profiles, make sure you're signed in with the account that has admin access to the Facebook page you want to connect. You'll also want your Instagram account set up as a professional account, either business or creator, since that's required for messaging integration. Once Business Suite loads, select the Facebook page you want to use. You can choose it from the left sidebar or the page switcher at the top. Double-check that you're on the correct page to avoid linking the wrong accounts, especially if you manage several brands. Next, head down to Settings. Depending on the current layout, you'll see either Business Assets or Linked Accounts. Both lead you where you need to go. If you don't see one, look for the other. Meta occasionally updates the labels, but the destination is the same. In that section, click Add Asset and choose Instagram Account. This opens a secure window that starts the connection process. If you're already logged into Instagram in your browser, you may just need to confirm. Otherwise, log in to your Instagram professional account. Take a moment to verify you're using the correct handle before you authorize the connection. If prompted for two-factor authentication, complete it to continue. After connecting, look for the option to Allow Access to Messages and turn it on. This toggle is what lets Business Suite pull your Instagram direct messages into the shared inbox. If this is off, your accounts may appear linked, but your DMs won't show up. That's it. You can now manage Instagram DMs and Facebook Messenger messages together in one inbox inside Business Suite. Go to the Inbox section to see everything in one place, filter by Instagram or Messenger as needed, and use features like labels, search, and assignment to keep your team organized. If messages don't appear right away, give it a minute, refresh the page, and confirm that message access is enabled. Also make sure the Instagram account isn't already connected to a different Facebook page, as that can block the link. With this integration live, your response times improve, your workflow is simpler, and your customers get a smoother experience, all from one dashboard.